This screencast is to demonstrate information about Google Meet and the quick access settings. Please keep in mind that quick access is a setting that can be turned on or off to allow participants to join a meeting with or without a host. At this moment, I am going to create a calendar invite and add a Google Meet. So I'm clicking on an event. I can add an optional title here, but what I'm going to highlight is the Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. Once I add Google Meet to this particular event, I have some icons over here to the right. The icon that I would like to highlight is the View Video Call Options. Once I open Video Call Options, there are some host controls. At this time, quick access is turned off for this particular meet. The default setting for all staff, K through 12 staff at base schools, is that the quick access will be turned off when creating a Google Meet link from Google Calendar, Google Classroom, or from Google Meet or from meet.google.com. For central office staff, the quick access default will be that it is on when creating a link from meet.google.com or from within the calendar invite. For this case, if I am creating this meeting for students and or parents that I may want to keep private and not allow participants to join without me there, I am going to leave the default setting off as a K-12 teacher. If I want to create an event that I would like for participants to join without the host being there, I can turn quick access off. So this is a setting in which you can modify from within the event on google.com. Now I am going to go to meet.google.com and I'm just going to start an instant meeting. When you are at meet.google.com, the settings, again, for K-12 staff at buildings is that the default of quick access will remain off. So I want to highlight now how to join a meeting or how to adjust the settings from within a meet. So I am the host of this particular quick meeting. These three dots at the bottom panel, I'm going to select those and choose Settings. From the settings, I'm going to go to Host Controls, and I am highlighting at the bottom Meet Access. So Meet Access is off, meaning my participants cannot quickly access the meeting, that I must join first and allow people into the meeting. If I want to turn this on or off during a meeting, this is where I can do so, just by toggling the on-off option. Once you do so, you can click the X and the quick access will be set by the host. So please keep in mind, again, that quick access, it can be set prior to a meeting, and it can also be adjusted within a meeting. It is always best practice to view the settings of quick access prior to a Google Meet. Thank you.